y'all, it's me, Trinity. Shawnee's back again with another video. Today I will be recreating this vegan mac and cheese recipe that I saw on YouTube University. But yeah, I found this vegan mac and cheese recipe and I went and I brought all the stuff. Y'all, veganism is expensive. I won't be doing this. I plan on being plant-based, but when I'm hungry for like something like some mac and cheese or some, you know, something similar to fried chicken and stuff like that, I will indulge in vegan stuff. But other than that, I know you're supposed to eat fruits and vegetables, but on the time, and like whole grains and whole wheat, stuff like that, but and beans and stuff like that. But when I'm not eating that, plant-based, some vegan food, that's it. That's it. So I'm about to show y'all what I got and we're about to cook this meal and see how it tastes. Hopefully it's good because I'll be real mad if I wasted my money just to make this food. I'm gonna be real mad. So we're about to make this vegan mac and cheese. I want to show y'all what I got in case you want to do this recipe with me. We cooking together, okay? So I got some elbow mac and cheese. It's nutritional yeast, Kroger brand, because groceries is expensive. Send me some food stamps if you got some, or I will buy them from you. And I got this plain oat milk, unsweetened original. They say get unsweetened original. Do not get sweetened nothing, and don't get vanilla, because that's a mistake. That's what they say. I got this dairy-free sour cream. Look at me, can't even talk. Sour cream. I'm kind of scared of the Kroger brand, everything. I know. I'm gonna put this disclaimer out there. I know this stuff have probably preservatives and things that don't need to be in food. And that's why I said I'm not vegan. I wouldn't consider myself vegan. I just eat vegan food when I'm hungry for some food. But other than that, my goal is to be plant-based, not vegan. Because the vegan stuff on the shelves, you can't trust any of the food, to be honest. But we're trying something new, and this is not going to be an everyday thing. I just had to put my disclaimer out there because I don't need nobody coming in the chat box like I don't know my stuff. I know my stuff. Plant-based butter. This is the brand. White Hill cream cheese. I can't wait to try this too because hopefully it actually tastes pretty decent. Then she recommended getting the child sliced cheese. She also recommended having a food processor, but I don't have one, so I will cut these. I will cut it up myself. And she also recommended follow your heart. Follow your heart. That's what you need to make the vegan mac and cheese. Now I'm also going to be making some sweet potatoes because that's one of my favorite foods. I love sweet potatoes. I can eat them all day long. And I got some broccoli as well. So I'm gonna eat broccoli, sweet potatoes, and mac and cheese. I was gonna try to fry some mushrooms, but look, it's already late, y'all. It's 9:56 and I'm getting started on this because when I have my mind set on doing something, sometimes it don't matter how late it is. And it's the weekend, so I'm just like, freak it, I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. And for dessert, we also got plant-based dessert as well. I got the chocolate chunk sweet Lawrence cookies, and I have the sugar cookies as well. And I already tried these, and these are great. Today I'm gonna be trying the sugar cookies, so hopefully they're both great. Let's get into this meal. First, we're going to start with the sweet potatoes. We're just going to skin the potatoes and chop them up into little cubes, dice, or whatever, irregular as hell. But yeah, we're going to just cut them up, put them in the oven, add a little bit of butter, some cinnamon, some honey, and all that good stuff.
Recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know you taste this a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, if I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you, and you're in the mood for empathy, is blood in my pen, better yet for your friends and them, I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty Nigga don't approach your whip that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation, rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. I know you.
So I thought I was recording, but I guess I wasn't recording. But yeah, so I basically put my sweet potatoes on a pan and put them in the oven. Moving on to the broccoli. Now I'm just separating my broccoli and about to put them in a pan so I can put them in the oven. And yeah, I'm just trying to minimize what I'm doing on the stovetop because, Lord, I cannot lose focus of this mac and cheese. Child. So I only need one thing on the stove and everything else in the oven is perfect. Perfect. My sweet potatoes are almost done, but I'm about to put them back in the oven, and so is the broccoli. Now for the mac and cheese, we're gonna put I would say 2 tablespoons of sour cream and some garlic salt on top of the mac and cheese and just stirred it up and let it sit. The video that I got the recipe from, they did not give no measurements of anything, so you know how black folks do. Well, this ain't even just black folks, because anybody would do this. We eyeball food. That's what I'm doing. I'm just eyeballing it, trying to see what makes sense. And luckily, it came out delicious still. All right, now, I know it's not a good angle, but I'm going to give you the steps. I'm going to give you the steps. So what I did was I put 1 tablespoon. No, I'm lying, not 1 tablespoon. I put like 2 or 3 tablespoons of butter in the pan, and then I put some all-purpose flour, and then I went and added some more butter so it can basically even out when I stirred the butter and the all-purpose flour together. So yeah, that's just what I did in this step right here, and you just see me mixing it because we really don't know what we're doing. Like I said, it was not no exact measurements. I was just eyeballing this food and it still came out amazing. Now this was the kicker because I didn't have the measurements and I did not know how much milk to use. So basically I'm over here trying to imagine, when I look at the video, I'm trying to see how many cups of milk she used. But I end up I filled up like this 32-ounce cup, I think, or 24-ounce. And I used at least about 20 ounces. I'm going to say 20 ounces of oat milk, y'all. I'm not 100% sure. I think I used about 20 ounces. I hope that's right. I really hope so. Then I added cream cheese, and I only saw her do like 1 or 2 tablespoons. So that's what I did as well. And then I stirred it up, and I added the cheese. I forgot the name of I think it's cheese. I cut that cheese up because, as you can see, it was sliced cheese at first, and then I just added that to the mix and stirred it as much as I could before adding the next cheese in. And don't forget to put some cheese on the side, because you see I dumped all that cheese. I end up adding the follow your heart cheese, and I use up all that as well. So now I'm just stirring it up. But I was nervous at first, y'all, and then it started getting better. Like, keep watching, it gets better. So the last step was to add the nutritional yeast, I guess, to thicken up the cheese sauce. But yeah, I didn't know how much of that to use either, so I sprinkled some here, then I sprinkled a little bit there, and then I mixed it all up again. And look, we got some cheese sauce. Even though I would not eat this all the time, it was really good, but I just know it's unhealthy. Like, I just know. Then next, of course, the obvious steps: mixing your noodles with your cheese sauce and stir it up, and then we're gonna put it in the pan for baking purposes. Y'all, it was really, really good.
so amusing. Your effort is so useless, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Don't tell your friends about it. Don't tell your friends about it. Don't tell what you see, how I did it on the low. Don't tell them niggas, tell them bitches, tell them niggas I'm just living. Tell them now you thought you was the nigga, fucking bitches. Now you wishing you were with me, living life so chill. Oh, what the fuck was you thinking? You probably wasn't even thinking. Oh shit. Now you gotta tell your friends about it.
So now it's time to bake our mac and cheese. First, you're going to put it in the oven with a baking sheet. I didn't have a baking sheet, so I just used foil. I probably had a baking sheet, but I couldn't find it. But you put it in there for 25 minutes first, and then after you will take it out again and take off the foil or a baking sheet and just cook it for 20 minutes. And y'all, it was phenomenal. And look, broccoli, cheap, ain't it? Cheap. That's all it made. But that broccoli was so good too. It was really good. And the sweet potatoes, of course. I be doing them in different ways each time, but I love sweet potatoes. And these are my plant-based cookies. Plant-based cookies. Them sugar cookies was freaking amazing. And I'm not gonna play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Ooh, that was a starchy meal that night. I already know. And now it's time for the gender reveal. She's yellow. She's yellow. She's yellow.
Oh no, you know I ain't eating all this in one night. Y'all, my first vegan mac and cheese. We about to put it right back in the oven for 20 more minutes. Only thing I messed up with is I did not have any more shredded cheese. I forgot. Like, I literally told myself I was gonna do it, and then I literally dumped all the cheese in the bag. So I don't have no cheese to go on top, but we about to put it back in the oven and get it right into it. Hopefully it tastes good, y'all. Hopefully, because I don't know. This is my first time.
Somebody let it down. I can't decide. This one call my ride. The phantom rose body is what? I made the buff beat at the was. I put some more price in the watch. Middle finger to the cops. Niggas still real like Tupac. Say the wrong word cause you shot. The whole luck you when you hot. Think I ain't gave me a shot. They say much they thought I was shot. Took off and went straight to the top. Can't fit me, I think I'm too hot. You need to stop living a lie. You know we keep shit like the shot. I know I be rich before I die. They don't respect you till you try.
Hey y'all, so I finally finished cooking. Do you know what time it is? It's 1:03. It's 1:03. I finally finished cooking. Had to clean the dishes, you know, all that stuff. But this is what I'm eating. And I was, like I said, I was gonna try to do some fried mushrooms or something. But you see how long this took itself? Couldn't do it. Like the mac and cheese, I would say it take like an hour and 30 minutes. So like if I do this for the holidays, I'm gonna have to prepare the day before or something like that. But got mac and cheese, broccoli, sweet potatoes, mac and cheese. I think it's bomb, but we're gonna do a taste test, so let's get into it. I'm good where I'm at, y'all. I'm good where I'm at. Plant-based it is. It's amazing. And I forgot to put the cheese on top. It's amazing. And all it took was two things of cheese. BJ, what you think?
10 out of 10 we get again.
Hold on, what you say?
10 out of 10 we eat again.
10 out of 10 we eat again?
Yeah.
Okay. And no, he's not lying for me. You wouldn't lie for me, would you?
No.
I don't think so about no food, because he threw my food away before. It's been a while ago, but. And then the sweet potato is always on point, because that's my favorite food. But yeah, I did it, y'all. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Come back to my channel. I be fasting. I be trying to eat plant-based or whatever, vegan or whatever. Just a bunch of stuff. A bunch of stuff. But this mac and cheese smack though. I can't wait till my mom try it. Can't wait to see what she say. Can't wait to see what she say. And thanks to the person who made this recipe, I will put there, I think her name is Shakayla. Shakayla, she has a channel where she do plant-based recipes. She the truth. So I would definitely link her in the comments. It's way too late to be doing this, but should I do it? I have not drunk wine or alcohol in forever. I don't know. But I never tried this, so I'm gonna go ahead and try. Cheers to my meal. I see why y'all can't stop drinking. You just see why they can't stop drinking? Alright, that's all I'm gonna do. It's been real. Good night, y'all. I had to refill. This is a good one. This is a good recipe.